Kanina pa siya, nilive ko siya kanina sa Instagram eh. Ang dami niya. Di ba ang dami niya? Karaoke naman siya. Where are you going, Baba?
You can't do this. Bang!
What's next? What song?
Levi's, Dance Monkey.
Okay, sing it.
They were right up and
Si Daddy busy sa office.
What you do? Levi's side down.
I haven't heard that one.
Levi's side down.
Naglalagay siya ng song.
Just got,
Wala ba ang lens ko? Ha?
dance one. I haven't got that other song.
Levi's side down.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
I don't know either.
Levi's side down.
Boy,
That's it.
can you sing it so we know?
You want
One
your
thing,
song?
Tate.
No, your song.
Kanta siya, guys. Ah.
Hey baby, go.
He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say.
Enough na ni Jan kasi alis na siya, umiyak siya. Gusto niya pang kumanta kasi yung naka-Spotify si Jenny. Sa kanya nakakonect yung mga kantang gusto niya, oh.
Hey.
Holly! Ayan, umiyak pa rin si Holly. Alis si Jan. Where are you going, Han? Where are you going? Tax.
Go do too.
Yeah, gagawin niya yung tax. You done? Did you move your trailer?
Just touch the.
What? Maya may alis siya. What time is your appointment, honey?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock? And are you done crying? Huh? Grease from your trailer?
Just touch the toggle.
Oh. Nalagyan yung kanyang trackie. Wipes on.
It is wipes.
Alright.
That'll dry.
It will. Is it cold outside, hon? Daddy's girl na talaga siya. How about mommy?
You can have a shower and get ready, bub.
Daddy. Daddy.
Daddy!
Kiss mommy.
Why?
Siyan. Good luck.
Yeah.
Good.
No luck.
Ha? Bad luck?
No luck.
No luck daw, bad luck. See ya, bye.
Get some cocoa pops.
Umalis na yung daddy niya. Okay na siya, guys.
He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy, problems with everything.
Mag-ayos na ako, guys. Kasi alis kami ni Holly. Nagluluto na ako ng spaghetti noodles. Maaga yung aking pagluluto. Ano pa lang? 2:20. Kasi nga, alis kami ni Holly. And eto pala, na-defrost ko na yung hotdog tsaka beef mince. Yung ano kasi ni Holly, yung dancing niya, pinalitan ko yung schedule. Kasi diba last Saturday, 2 class siya. Each class is 45 minutes. So feeling ko pagod na pagod si Holly. So sabi ko, yung isa na lang pang Wednesday. Pero yung pang Wednesday lang naman is yung hip-hop. Kasi Pwede siyang Wednesday or Saturday. Isang class lang a-attendan mo sa hip-hop. Either Wednesday or Saturday. So, kasi yung bali every Saturday lang siya. So, yung hip-hop na lang yung kanyang pang Wednesday, 4 to 45 p.m. Kaya nagluluto na ako ng spaghetti para mamaya wala na akong intindihan pag uwi namin. Kasi dadaan pa kami ni Holly sa Coles kasi si Jan gusto niya kumuha ng Coco Pops and yung mga kulang-kulang ko dito, wala na kaming, ano ba yung wala? Yung Yakult and bibili ako ng truffle oil. Tapos ano pa ba? Basta meron pa mga kulang dito na aking bibilin sa Coles. Yung mga kulang lang naman kasi diba ka-grocery ko lang last week. So yung mga kulang na lang ang aking bibilhin. So yan, malapit na to. After nito magluluto na ako ng spaghetti sauce. And si Holly kanina naging okay na siya after i-off ni Jan yung kanyang karaoke. Baba, hawak niya. Sino ba yan, Baba? Who's that? Si Squeezy. And nanonood siya ng Disney Junior. Okay. Tingnan niyo siya. What's that? You're going to school? And? Okay, see ya. Oh my God. Not yet, Baba. Naghihiwa na pala ako ng mga gagamitin ko para sa spaghetti sauce. Ginigisa ko na yung beef mince, guys, sa sibuyas, bawang, bell pepper. Lutuin ko lang to, then ilalagay ko yung Filipino sauce. Nilagay ko na yung Filipino style na tomato sauce, and after na kumulo siyang konti, ilalagay ko na yung hotdog. Ilalagay ko na yung hotdog, and etong cheese ang gagamitin ko, yung Corn Tasty, yung nabili ni Jan sa shop, na sabi ko bili niya masarap, pero ito lang daw ang meron, so ito lang ang gagamitin ko dito. Lalagay ako ng diced Italian tomatoes, kasi gusto ko yung may bilog-bilog siyang ano. Minsan hindi ako naglalagay, minsan naglalagay ako. Depende kung mayroon ako, pero ayan, naglagay ako ngayon. Luto na yung spaghetti sauce. Hinintay ko na lang si Jan. And kami naman ni Holly Alice. Ha? Yeah, bihisan ko na to. Off na natin to. Wait, Baba. Dito na kami sa mountain. Sinama ko yung boys. Kasi si Jan hindi na raw siya makakaabot pag... No, I'm not gonna park here. I'm gonna park over there.
Alright, come on. Oh, so Holly's not getting out yet?
No, not yet.
Hang on, bub. You gotta park around the other side.
Kasi hindi na siya aabot. Kasi malilate na kami ni Holly. Kaya nag-meet na lang kami dito sa Mount. See you.
Yeah, you go and dancing.
Wait, Kuya.
Oh, Holly, Zach, give Holly a hug.
Oh.
What? What do you want?
I told Holly I'm dancing.
Yeah, dancing today. What's room up? Let's go dancing, Baba.
At 9 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, it changed Wednesday now. Come on, let's
Yeah,
go.
you can't dance,
See you, Mom.
See you now.
Don't cry because you're not crying dancing unless they won't have you there.
Oh, come on, let's go, Baba. Yeah, gusto niya sumama.
Where are you parking?
There, honey.
Where?
Oh.
Just park here, babe.
Ah, it's too far. Baba, I'll have this, Baba. Dito na lang magpa-park. Baba, do you wanna go? They're going home. Do you wanna go home? Oh, umiiyak siya kasi makidaddy na siya. Alis na sana si Ja. Kasi hindi
I'll get down before so we can go.
hindi tumitigil umiyak. Come on, Baba. Maglakad na lang kami. Makidaddy na talaga siya.
Hey,
Crying na siya. Come on. See you. Maghalik na naman ito. See you, Kuya. Come on, just...
you got the keys?
Yeah. Okay, that's it. It's alright, come on. It's okay, come on. Hold Mommy's hand. Let's go dancing now. Say see you, Daddy. Say see you now. Okay. Come on.
Yeah, we're coming.
We're coming, come on, we're gonna wait. Gusto niya sumama si Dad. Coming, come on. It's alright, come on. Or you wanna go home? Okay, let's go home. He wants you to come, honey. You wanna go home or what? Okay, dancing, let's go. Come on, okay, Kuya Saki, hug Kuya Saki na. Kuya Saki, hug. Okay. Alright. It's alright, we're gonna see Kuya Saki when we get home, okay? Let's dance for 40 minutes. And we're gonna get Coco Pops, okay? Dito na kami, guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, uwi na lang kami kasi umiiyak siya. Ayaw niya naman umuwi. Umiiyak din siya pag uuwi. Gusto niya lang kasama si daddy. Okay, we're here na, Baba.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. That's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy trying to live through life, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy trying to live through life, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it.
Tapos na yung hip-hop dance ni Holly. Naka-advantage ako, guys, kasi diba umiiyak siya. So, ayaw niya akong umalis. So, pinapasok ako ng teacher dun sa room kung saan nagaganap yung dancing. Nakita ko lahat. Yeah. Did you enjoy it, Baba? Okay, show me what you got. What the teacher gave you. She got a sticker. Did you enjoy it? Punta tayo ng Coles kasi kuha ko ng eggs. Yun pala. Eggs, saka Coco Pops. Ay, no, this is not your side, Baba. Come here, this side. Yung maliit lang na cart ang kailangan natin ngayon. Kasi kuha lang naman tayo ng eggs.
Mom, bawang.
Oh, that's not bawang, that's sibuyas.
Mom, take that off.
Okay. Kuha tayo ng spinach. This one, Baba, this one. That one. Okay, put in the cart. Thank you. Wala na yung mushroom dito. Yung malaking brown, yung portobello. Ito, brown flat. Ito. Yeah, ito. Yung kinuha ko last time. Anong yung walang sira? Yung walang sira. Tingnan natin. Siguro, ito na lang. Gusto ko magkaldereta. Kasi tingnan nyo naman yung mga buto-buto nila. Wala naman masyadong laman. Okay. Don't drop it, okay? Si Jam pa naman gusto niya laman. Ako lang naman may gusto sa mga buto-buto. So siguro, eto na lang. Pang roast to eh. Pero gawin ko siyang kaldereta. Ayan, taba-taba. Yeah? Pang kaldereta. Come on. Huh? Oh, no, 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 no. Don't open it. Don't open it yet, Baba. Oh, just hold it. Don't open, please. Kuha na ako ng snacks kasi yung binili natin last week, ubos na yung Oreo. Oh, sarap nito. Nandito na naman to si, favorite ko to si Oreo Cadbury coated. Yeah, malapit na kasi ang Easter. Marami na naman.
Have one.
Ha?
We don't have one.
Hard one?
Yeah. We don't have one.
Kuha ko nitong dalawa.
We
And-
don't have one.
Mini Oreo kasi si Zach gusto niya itong pambaon.
I wanna have this.
Alright, hold that, Baba. Linagay niya na doon yung spinach and ang hawak niya naman is yung Oreo. Okay? Naubos na to. Malapit na yung maubos. So, kuha na lang akong isa muna. Dito tayo sa may mga cereals. Kasi si Jan, nagbilin siya na Coco Pops. Ito lang na maliit kasi.
I wanna have the Coco Pops. It's my favorite.
Yeah, lahat na lang favorite mo. Tara. Tapos, eggs. Come on, and Yakult.
Egg unicorn.
Ha?
Egg unicorn.
Unicorns? No. You still have a...
Look, I said egg unicorn.
No, you still have Fruit Loops.
I said I like unicorn too.
Yes. And kuha tayo ng V8 breakfast. Isa nito, tsaka isa na tropical. Ang lamig, holy. Kuha tayo ng eggs. Naubos na yung eggs. Dalawa na lang yung eggs ko doon. Check natin to. Oops, ayan o, may crack. Diba? Buti na lang binuksan. Lagi ko lang binubuksan. Chine-check ko lagi pag bumibili ako ng eggs kasi nangyayari talaga ang eto o. Isa rin to. Hindi siya matanggal. So, ibig sabihin may dikit siya. Ha? Hanap mo na ako ng eggs. Yes?
Dad's coffee.
Coffee? No, he's alright.
No, he's not alright.
Ito okay siya. I love you so much too. Hinahag niya ako. Oh. Alisin natin dito yung mushroom. Okay, let's go. Yakult. Yakult.
No, we'll have to go.
Yakult. Yeah, and mousse. Naubos na yung mousse. Kasi si Jan, ang kinakain niya, dalawang mousse. Pakatapos niya ng dinner. So, ubos na. Kaya yung Yakult. Wala nang straw yung Yakult. Wala na siyang straw. Dati may straw. Kuha ko nito. Isa lang muna kasi meron pa naman sa bahay. The baby?
I take that out.
Like this. Ito yung mousse. Tapos na kami dito sa coast. And ang lamig ka man ba ito? Nilalamig din siya. Ha? Your hands are cold? Okay, let's go. Bayad na kami. And uwi na tayo. Come on, hurry up. Tingnan nyo siya. Kanina niya pa yan hawak na Coco Pops. Baba, are you alright? Kuha pala ko ng balsamic vinegar kasi paubos na yung balsamic vinegar ko tsaka yung truffle oil. Nasaan na sila? Ha? Ah, here. No, not that one, Baba. Ito yung balsamic vinegar. Pero yung truffle oil, hindi ko makita. Wala yata sila ngayon dito. Dati dito kasi yung nakalagay. Okay, come on. Ito na lang muna. Come on, Baba. Okay, let's go, Baba. Nakaupo na siya doon. Come on, let's go. Ay na kami, guys. Si Holly nakatulog sa car and yung mga boys kumakain pa lang, oh. Yep. How is it, Zach? Good. Si Janka. Kakukuha niya lang, ha?
Did she go better than last time?
Yeah. How is it, Zaki?
Good.
Kuya? So, i-close ko na tong vlog, guys. Nakita nyo naman yung mga pinamili ko sa Kohl's. Si Holly kukunin ko kasi nakatulog siya sa car. Tulog siya. Baba. Baba, we're here, Baba. Come on. Come on. Oh, go siya. Okay na, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Bye, guys.
Tell me who you seek.